how to fix AirPods connected but no sound issues on iPhone. So if you want to fix your AirPods connected but no sound issues on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your control center and then tap the AirPlay icon. It can be small or big, but it's usually just like this. So just tap on it and make sure that your iPhone is selected from the drop down. Tap on AirPlay and then make sure that iPhone is selected. And if you're connected to your AirPods, then you need to make sure that you have selected AirPods. If that doesn't fix your problem, then second solution is to turn off automatic detection. Sometimes automatic ear detection can glitch and think you're not wearing the AirPods, even if you're wearing them. So it's best to turn this feature out. So go to your phone's settings at first, find your AirPods, and make sure that you've connected to them. Under your AirPods section, you need to just scroll down a bit and simply disable the automatic ear detection. Once the automatic ear detection is disabled, you can check the issue again. For third solution, you need to check the volume and media for the app settings. So like for example, if you're using Spotify or any other application, then you need to make sure that your volume is stable. You can also open up your YouTube or any other applications to check if the sound is working properly over there. Once you make sure of that, you need to just disconnect your AirPods and then try connecting or reconnecting them again. Or just simply go and restart the device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.